Hi everyone! Good morning! Happy Wednesday morning! Okay, kamusta kayo? Happy New Year! So, welcome back to La Luna Tarot. Okay. So, as you can see, sa harapan natin is mag-iiba tayo muna. Okay. Na topic, ngayong araw lang naman. Okay. So, we have three piles, three card, okay, three set. So, syempre, pipili kayo kung anong file yun sa tingin ninyo, mag-resonate sa inyo. Anyway, guys, konting intro lang. Kung mapapansin ninyo, sa bawat upload ko po ngayon and then sa mga susunod na araw is wala tayong intro. Tinanggal ko na po yung intro sa video ko kasi si YouTube is some kind of, meron na silang parang I don't know kung nagbago sila ng rules or it has to do with a uh, parang fake copyright, I don't know. Kaya tinanggal ko na siya. Pero much better na rin na wala tayong intro na rin para direkta na tayo sa reading. So, pwedeng dagdagan ko yung file. Okay, since wala na tayong intro. Okay guys, so sa harapan ninyo, tatlong file. This is file number 1, file number 2, and file number 3. So, sa mga matagal na pong nanonood sa akin, wala kayong ibang gagawin kundi mag-meditate at pumili ng file. Doon sa tingin niyo mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay. This is file number 1, this is file number 2, and this is file number 3. Okay. So, ano yung topic natin ngayong araw? Ang topic natin ngayong araw is what makes you spicy? So, ano daw ba yung dahilan bakit spicy ka? Either spicy, hot, okay, fiery. So, bakit nga ba spicy ka? So, titingnan natin, okay? So, pwedeng positive ang makita natin, pwedeng negative. Pero, lagi niyong tatandaan, yun yung nakikita ng ibang tao sa pananaw nila. Okay? So, pili na kayo ng file dito sa tatlo. 1, 2, and 3. So, I will give you second. Choose your file and we will start on file number 1 na. Okay? So, pili na kayo. Okay, kung nakapili na kayo ng file. Okay, so wag na natin patagalin. I will go to file number 1. So, titingnan natin. Ano ba yung dahilan? Bakit sexy, fiery, spicy? So, file number 1. So, kung file number 1 napili mo, titingnan natin, bakit nga ba spicy ka? So, different card ang aking ginamit dito, pero it is a short description lang naman on your, maybe physically, okay? So, tingnan natin. So, tingnan mo natin yung iyong energy. Ooh, door to value. So, number 31 can be you are 31 years old, pile number 1. Okay, so maybe right now, what makes you spicy or hot to other people, pile number 1? Maybe you are very abundant kind of a person. Okay, it could be you are an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Yes, and some of you is financially stable. Okay. Magaling maghawak ng pera. A businesswoman or a businessman. Yes. Or it can be vice versa. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, in negative side, a very luxurious kind of a person. or simply magastos. Okay? Siguro, nakikita ka ng iba na mahilig kang mag-shopping. Yes. Ang pera sa'yo is come and go. Siguro yung iba sa inyo is magaling kumita ng pera pero malaki din gumastos. Okay, yung iba sa inyo ha. Mhm. So siguro mahilig ka rin sa branded na gamit, branded na damit, branded na sapatos, it can be. Okay. Or sabihin na lang natin magaling kang dumiskarte ng pera. Okay, so yun nga, magaling ka sa business, magaling ka sa trabaho, sa finances, magaling kang mag-budget, magaling kang maghawak ng pera simply. So yun yung nakikita ng iba sa'yo. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Hero Pan. Traditional kind of a person. So what makes you spicy and hot is maybe hindi ka liberated na type of a person. Still, you are a traditional kind of a person even in love life, okay? So, naniniwala ka sa kasal? Yes. Religious type of a person? Okay. And it can be a considerate kind of a person also. So, lahat ng mga sinasabi ko guys na characteristic or description, it can be the positive aspect of that description, okay, or vice versa. Okay, so it can be kung hindi ka ano, pero kasi, lagi niyong tatandaan kapag ka ang card is lumabas upright, the positive is positive ang ano, kahulugan. Okay. Mas malakas ang positive aspect na kung paano ka i-describe ng tao. Okay, so you're a traditional kind of a person, a considerate kind of a person, madaling makibagay, okay. Hindi ka mahirap pakisamahan. Yes. Hindi ka mahirap maging kaibigan, okay, for some of you. Madali kang makasundo, madali kang maka-vibes, hindi ka mahirap kausap. Basta very religious kind of a person also, okay? And it can be a charitable person din, ha? Mahilig tumulong, okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Four of Swords, Earth sign. Air sign. Okay, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. Pwede siguro mahilig kang matulog, mahilig kang magpahinga on your idle time, okay. Yung iba siguro sa inyo some of you, pile number 1 is hindi mahilig lumabas or gumala. Yung iba yung iba, hindi ko naman nilalahat. O pwede sigurong mahilig kang matulog, magpahinga. Yes. Or sakitin. Meron akong nakita ng iba sa inyo is po pwedeng sakitin. Overthinker. Meron akong nakitang overthinker. Mahilig mag-isip ng mag-isip. Air sign again. Six of Swords. Mabilis kang mag-move on. Meron akong nakikita na yung iba sa inyo is mabilis mag-move on. Fast-paced kind of a person. Hindi nag-hold ng grudge. or galit sa tao, pwede siguro some of you is galit ka ngayon, pero mabilis din matanggal yung galit mo. Okay, so hindi ka nagtatanim ng sama ng loob sa tao. Though kapag galit ka, syempre siguro masakit ka magsalita, it can be, pero mabilis mawala yung galit mo. Hindi ka, alam mo yung hindi nagtatagal yung galit mo. Kung meron ka mang nakagalit na person, okay? Mabilis kang makamove on sa mga pangyayari or basta any difficulty, any breakup, basta any, okay? Mabilis kang mag-move on, fast-paced kind of a person. Four of Cups, water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Pwede sigurong some of you hindi, pihikan. Yung iba sa inyo is pihikan. Oo. Hindi ka mabilis mabola. Yung iba sa inyo, may nakikita ko na hindi emotional kind of a person. Hindi maramdamin. Oo. Suplado. Yes, may nakita ko ganun. Suplado. Yung iba sa inyo, may nakita ko introvert. Mahilig mag-relax. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, meron ako nakikita, mahirap suyuin. O ligawan. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Okay, card number 65, stability, harmony, acceptance. O, di ba? Mahilig kang mag-move on. Mahilig kang mag-accept ng mga bagay-bagay. You accept as it is. Kumbaga parang ganon. Tapos, move on ka na naman ulit. Kumbaga, life goes on. Parang ganon. May nakikita akong ganon. Yes, stable kind of a person. So, tingnan pa natin. Di ba? Siguro, mga pumili ng pile number 1, most of you is an air sign. Okay. Or earth sign. Yes. Imaginative kind of a person. So, very creative. Maybe, some of you. Pile number 1 is creative, artist. Okay. Kind of a person. You are okay being alone. Sabi ko nga kanina, introverted kind of a person. Artistic, imaginative, okay. Yung iba sa inyo, malalim din mag-isip. Yes. A very deep kind of a person, deep thinker. Disturbance number 57. Okay. For some of you, mabilis mairita. Yung iba sa inyo, meron akong nakita mabilis mairita. Yung iba sa inyo, maybe, bukas ang third eye. Meron ako nakikita sa inyong ganon. Bukas ang third eye, spiritual, hindi matatakutin, hindi duwag. Ayaw nang iniistorbo. Yes. Ayaw nang iniistorbo yung iba sa inyo. Kasi nga introvert eh. Ayaw nang makulit, ayaw nang istorbo. Ayaw nang madaldal, ayaw nang maingay. Kasi mabilis kayong mairita. Mahilig kayong mag-isa. Hindi kayo chismoso. Yung iba sa inyo ha. Chismosa, hindi chismosa. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Natural disaster number 38. Uy. Ano kayo? Hindi kayo takot mag-risk. You are a risk taker. Mabilis kayong ma-frustrate. Yes. Hindi kayo takot sa kahit ano, sa multo, kahit saan, hindi ka natatakot. Hindi ka duwag. Kahit mahirap, you always persevere, matapang. Siguro iba sa inyo, leader. Okay. A cool kind of a person. Meron akong nakitang ganun, ha? So, tingnan pa natin. Oh, marionette number 15. Oh. Yung iba sa inyo, it can be a leader nga. Kung babae ka, you are more on a masculine energy, which is a dominant, okay, kahit sa relationship, okay. A leader, a trainer, a leader, okay, type of a person. Alam mo yung yung kapag ginusto mo, you don't always follow the rules. You have your own rules or you make your rules. Parang ganun, ha? I hope nasusundan nyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko, ha? Siguro some of you, meron ako narinig, Gemini. Okay? Pagka matigas ang ulo din, ha? Meron akong narinig na ganyan. Matalino. Hindi ka po pwedeng minamanduhan, hindi ka po pwedeng dinodominahan. Po pwedeng ikaw pa ang magmando or magdomina, pero yung ikaw yung parang pasusundin, ikaw yung uutusan, ayaw mo niyan. Okay? Ikaw din yung klase ng tao na meron ako nakita sa'yo na kapag ayaw mo sa isang person, okay, ayaw mo talaga. Pero kapag halimbawang kailangan talaga, halimbawa makibagay, considerate ka naman. Okay? Hindi ka rin po pwedeng awayin kasi hindi ka takot makipag-away. Okay? So, very spicy kind of a person. Yung iba sa inyo baka nambabara pa. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Fool. Fearless. Meron akong nakuha dito na kung ano yung nasa isip mo, sinasabi mo yon. You are fearless, okay? Revealing your emotion. Yung iba sa inyo is po pwedeng joker din or magaling magpatawa, mahilig magpatawa. Okay. Po pwedeng siguro may pagka-sarcastic din. Okay. Mahilig mambara. Yun nga, sabi ko mahilig mambara. Ano ka, basta ikaw yung klase ng person na matalino ka, okay? Mabilis kang mag-pick up ng any salita, any lessons, any instruction. Matalino ka. Siguro most of you can be a speaker, okay? A trainer, a teacher, okay? MC, okay? Yung MC sa mga event, Or it can be laging bangka sa mga friends kapag may kasiyahan, okay? Kasi pwede ka magpatawa, okay? Pero hindi nila alam na magaling kang mag-mask ng nararamdaman mo, okay? Magaling kang magtago ng nararamdaman mo. Siguro some of you can be a secretive kind of a person also. Yes, siguro kapag depressed ka or may nararamdaman kang hurt or any emotional stress or emotional turmoil, sa art mo siya pinuput. It can be painting, drawing, music, art. Some of you is a musician, artist. It can be. Okay. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Virgin. Oh. Sabi ko nga, with the Four of Cups, conjunction with the Virgin card, very picky kind of a person, very picky, mapili ka sa magiging partner mo, pihikan ka, whether you're a female or a male, pihikan ka sa babae or sa lalaki. You have the eye on the physical features of a person. Okay? Yun nga, pihikan ka. Siguro you are a very good looking kind of a person also. Yung iba sa inyo, meron ako nakikita, it can be you have a tattoo. Okay. May pagka-body energy. Mm-hmm. Meron ako nakikita yung iba sa inyo is a very, very traditional kind of a person, which is before being intimate on someone is kailangan talaga boyfriend or girlfriend niya, okay? You don't believe in a one night stand. Yung iba sa inyo ha, meron ako nakikita ganun kasi mahalaga sa inyo yung purity, okay? Either in yourself or in your partner. Okay, so kung lalaki ka, you always look for a female who is a same as you, na yung importance on a monogamy relationship. So, um, one woman, one man, parang ganon. So, hindi ka na, ayaw mo sa liberated also, okay? Kasi siguro, some of you is kapag nagmahal is talagang seryoso. Okay, may nakikita kong ganon. Okay, so last card is child internal. Okay. So, playful ka. Okay. So, pwede flirty ka. Yes. Pero nga, you are a very picky kind of a person sa person na seseryosohin mo when it comes to love. Okay. Masiyahin. Mm-hmm. Pwedeng meron talaga ako nakikita dito na very good looking kind of a person, either a man, okay, or a woman. Yes. A very free-spirited kind of a person. A very parang, alam mo yon, yung parang medyo not totally childish, yung parang childlike personality. Playful, okay? Flirty, okay? So, it can be a Gemini nga, okay? An Aquarius also. Yes, a Libra. Mm-hmm. Yung iba sa inyo, it can be bunso sa magkakapatid. Okay? Yung iba ha, yung iba. Flirt. Meron akong narinig na flirt. Yes. Pero, flirt ka sa other girls or other boys, pero kung sino talaga yung makakot ng attention mo, like a special someone, seryoso ka doon. Kasi nga, picky ka na kind of a person. Pal number one. So, what makes you spicy, hot, okay? Pile number 1, picky kind of a person ka. Yes, suplado, suplada, okay? Ano ka eh, mix personality ka eh. Oo, flirty ka. Yes, flirty ka sa mga boys, sa mga girls, or if you are a masculine, flirty ka sa mga girls. Pero, kapag meron kang sineryoso na babae, seryoso ka talaga doon. Kasi nga, pihikan ka. And once, halimbawang meron kang, um, or you are eyeing on someone, okay, that someone is a very special kind of a person, okay. A rare beauty, meron akong nakitang ganun, rare beauty, rare personality, it can be. Okay, kasi mahirap makuha yung attention mo as a person. Okay, pal number 1. Okay, so I hope nag-resonate sa'yo yung reading natin, pal number 1. And hindi ko napapatagalin, hindi ko napapahabain. I will go to pile number 2 na. Okay, so pal number 1. Bye! Okay, so pile number 2, if you choose the second pile, this is your reading. So what makes you spicy hot? Okay, so this is your reading. So okay, let's start with Energy Oracle card number 22, Yin and Yang. Okay, so initially, ano yung nakikita ko, you can be a 22-year-old person, okay, a teenager, okay, born on 22nd, okay, of the month or any month, okay. So meron ako nakikita dito na um balance, a balance kind of a person. Balance yung feminine, balance yung masculine mo. Okay. You can be a Libra. Yes. So tingnan pa natin. Knight of Swords. Okay, meron ako nakikita ito, young. Young at age, okay. Impulsive. Pabigla-bigla. Na kind of a person. So, tingnan pa natin. Wait lang guys, kuha lang ako ng patungan nitong aking candle na isa. You can be an air sign again. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Impulsive kind of a person. Mabilis magalit. Yung iba sa inyo mabilis magalit. Magugulatin. Or basta ano ka, mabilis kang magalit. Kapag halimbawang ano ka, yung impulsive nga eh. Impulsive sa salita, impulsive in action. Okay. The Fool. Hindi takot mag-risk din. A risk taker also. Even though maraming challenges, nakakaharapin. Okay. Hindi ka takot mag-risk also. Ikaw yung klase ng tao na ano na hindi ka takot mag-try. Hindi ka takot mag-try, pero may pagka-careless ka, okay? Careless na person. Kasi nga, dahil sa pagiging impulsive mo, alam mo yon yung kapag gusto mo, dahil sa pabigla-bigla ka, kadalasan siguro, madalas kang magkamali. Okay? Madalas kang, alam mo yon masaktan. Okay? It can be. Kasi nga, fool, it can be foolish, okay? Pabigla-bigla. Mas, yung, alam mo yung bugso ng damdamin, ganon. Mm. Mabilis ka rin sa salita. Mabilis kang magsalita. It can be, mabilis kang magbitaw ng salita, masakit man, o kung ano man, basta kapag naramdaman mo or may urge sa'yo na pagbitaw ng salita ng ganito, mabilis kang magsalita. Yes. The world. May narinig akong Leo, Taurus, Aries. It can be mahilig kang mag-travel. Okay? Mahilig kang pumunta kung saan-saan. Yes, oo. You can be a Sagittarius also. Mahilig gumimik. Mahilig mamasyal. Mahilig sa nature. Okay. Meron ako narinig na maraming friends. Okay. It can be, some of you is an extrovert. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Uy. 3 of Wands. Ooh. Some of you, meron akong narinig na yung iba sa inyo, ikli ang pasensya. Oo, mainipin. Okay. Yes, mainipin. Or vice versa, po pwedeng matyaga maghintay. It can be, ha? So, tingnan pa natin. Fire sign, major arcana, air sign. Okay. Meron ako talaga nakita, mahilig mag-travel, mahilig maglayas, mahilig pumunta kung saan-saan. Origin number 22. 22 also, ha? 22, 22. So, number 22 is significant sa'yo. Pile number 2. O, di ba? Creative also. Pwede a green thumb kind of a person. An environment. Pwedeng agriculture. Okay? Meron kang knows when it comes sa agricultural aspect. Okay? Pwedeng environmentalist ka. Okay. You love nature. Okay. Ooh. Some of you spiritual person also. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, meron akong nakita na pagan. Okay, pagan or pagano ba tawag doon? Basta pagan or worshiping um, plants or basta yung environmentalist. Monk. Okay, meron ako narinig yung monk. Some of you is a monk. Ano ba Tagalog ng monk? Buddhist, okay? Siguro it can be close to Buddhist. Some of you, some of you. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Oh? Di ba? Humanitarian, a monk, okay. A spiritual also, okay, kind of a person. Uh, some of you meditate, okay. Meron talaga ako nakikita dito, monk. Kaya siguro dito si yin and yang, okay? Mm. Ano ka, magaling kang mag-balance, you have the power of nature, okay? You use the power of nature, okay? Some of you. You meditate on the nature, yes. Mm. Endorsement, uh, you're a humanitarian, okay? Kind of a person. Walang bisyo. Yung iba sa inyo nakikita ko walang bisyo. Naniniwala sa karma. It can be you are a priest, okay? If you are not a monk, you can be a priest, a pastor. Yes. Very religious kind of a person. Uh, meron ako talaga nakikitang monk. Okay. You can be a vegetarian also. Okay. Talaga ako nakikitang monghe. Monghe. Monghe pala yung Tagalog nun. Accident. Okay. So, some of you is maingat, okay? You are a very careful kind of a person. Mahinahon magsalita, okay? Iba sa inyo meron ako nakikita. Mahinahon magsalita. Though, siguro impulsive ka. Yung iba sa inyo ha, impulsive in words, pero yung iba is mahinahon magsalita. Mm. Cautious kind of a person. Also, yun sa monk na nakikita ko ha, yung sa mga ibang nagme-meditate dito or you can sense danger. Okay, so meron ako narinig na you can sense danger. Okay. You can predict. Okay. You can predict po pwedeng yung mangyayari sa kalikasan, okay? A natural disaster, it can be, ha? It can be. Yes. You're a green thumb also. Basta, you use the energy of plants, okay? Nagme-meditate ka doon, okay? Talaga may nakikita kong monghe dito eh. Yes. So, tingnan pa natin, ha? Guys. Pause. Okay, okay. So, some of you don't want a gossip, okay? You honor a trust. You honoring trust on a person, okay? Mm-hmm. You can be trusted, okay? You can be trusted, kind of a person, okay? Some of you, ikaw ang tinatakbuhan ng tao para mag-confess, okay? Mag-confess, magsabi ng mga feelings nila, kasi you can hold secrets, okay? You cannot betray someone, okay? You honor your words, okay? So, you expect others also, okay, sa mga sinasabi nila. Yes, kasi nga, pagkakatiwalaan ka na kind of a person. Hindi ka mabilis masuhulan, hindi ka mabilis matempt, okay? Ano ka, mapagkakatiwalaan ka na kind of a person. Yes, yun ang nakukuha ko dito sa pile 2. Okay, last card. Mystic. O, di ba? Meron akong nakukuha sa inyo na malakas ang throat chakra ninyo and crown chakra, throat and crown. Okay? You can be a very spiritual kind of a person, a psychic. Okay? Meron akong nakuha a psychic, a medium. Pero ano dito, you can be a tarot card reader also, a fortune teller. Okay? It can be. Yes, has a very strong connection with the divine, okay, with gods, okay. Kung ano man yung pinapaniwalaan mo. Yes, a very spiritual kind of a person, strong connection with the divine. So meron akong nakuha dito, you can predict natural disasters, you can predict future of a person. Pwedeng you're a psychic, okay, psychic person, a medium, a tarot reader. You can also be a tarot reader. So, meron akong nakikitang ganyan, guys, pile number 2. So, take what's resonate, okay? So, you're a very magical kind of a person, okay? Hindi ka madaling ma-bribe, hindi ka madaling sukulan, hindi ka po pwedeng lokohin kasi you can read people, okay? Kasi nga, you are a mystic kind of a person, a psychic, a medium, can be a monk, okay? Always meditate, okay? Okay, so pile number 2, this is your reading. So I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to. So I will go to pile number 3, okay? So pile number 2, thank you so much. Bye! Last but not the least, pile number 3. If you choose card number 3, this is your reading. What makes you hot and spicy? Okay, so let's start with your energy oracle card, pile number 3. Strategy, number 21. Uy, a strategic kind of a person. A very smart person also. A critical thinker. Okay. Strategic. Yung iba sa inyo po pwedeng mahilig din mag-travel, ha? Or it can be paano ko ba sabihin yun? Hindi sa mahilig mag-travel eh. Explorer, parang ganon. Mahilig ka mag-explore ng mga lugar. Okay. Yes, mag-plan. You can be an engineer or an architect. Meron akong nakitang ganyan. Yes. Kasi gumagawa ng plan, architect. So, tingnan natin, guys. Uy. 8 of Cups. Water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. An overthinker. Again. Meron ako nakikita talaga explorer. So, mahilig kang mag-explore ng mga, you can be a content creator exploring abandoned places or mga magagandang places sa bansa or sa isang lugar, okay, historical places, it can be. Yes. Hmm. Interesting. The chariot, travel. Chariot card signifies travel, okay? So, confirming that you are the type of a person na mahilig ang mag-travel. Okay? Mhm. Kung saan-saan. Mm. Maybe you have a car, okay? Yung iba sa inyo po, pwedeng you are a captain on a cruise ship. Okay, meron ako nakikita. You're a captain on a cruise ship, a seaman, nagdadrive ng a pilot, nagdadrive ng airplane. Yes. Uy. But something, basta something to do with travel, okay, to different places. So, meron akong nakikita gano'n. Travel to different places, exploring different places, historical places, it can be, okay. The Hermit, di ba? Hermit card is a curious card, okay. Even though you can be a wise person, okay, wise old soul, okay, matured kind of a person. Hermit card also signifies a curiosity, okay, hunger or hungry on finding details, information, lalo na yung mga kapupulutan ng aral, okay, may matututunan, okay. You are not afraid to find or dig important information about someone or something or about some place, okay. Hermit card. Kumbaga, you are a ano, wise kind of a person, bihasa na. Okay, you know everything, you know, basta mahusay ka na. Kumbaga, mahusay ka na in exploring. Kaya nga pwedeng hindi, mahilig kang mag-aral, mahilig kang magbasa ng libro, okay, it can be. Yes, meron akong narinig dito. Yung iba sa inyo, a writer also, yes, a writer, a reader, okay, an author of different books, okay, na sinasalaysay mo yung mga natututunan mo, okay, an instructor, meron akong nakitang instructor, okay, a literature instructor, a teacher, okay, a tutor, yes, a very wise kind of a person. Meron akong nakita attorney, okay, yung iba sa inyo, attorney, a lawyer, yes, a very smart kind of a person. Mhm. So, tingnan pa natin. Magician. Major Arcana also. Magician. Skillful. Very skillful. Okay? Kaya nga strategize. Matalino ka na kind of person. Magaling mag-manifest. Okay? Alam mo lahat ng bagay. You know everything. Pwedeng it can be a jack of all trades or traits. Basta ganon. A manifestor, a magician. Yes. An old person. A very knowledgeable kind of a person. A wise kind of a person. Yes. It can be an old in age. Okay? So, take what's resonate. So, tingnan pa natin. A leader. Meron ako nakikitang a leader or in a higher rank. Okay? Um, you are in a higher position. You are in a higher position kind of a person. So, meron akong nakitang ganon. Saglit lang guys, anuin ko lang yung kandila dahil tumulo na. Okay. Siguro kung leader ka sa isang group or sabihin na nating office or may hawak kang mga tao, ano ka, mataas ang position mo. Meron kang mga tinuturuan na tao, ipinapasa mo yung knowledge mo. Oo, meron akong nakitang ganon ha. Guys, you can be nga an instructor, a teacher. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, it can be a instructor on a college, okay? Yes. So, tingnan pa natin. Sorry guys, pinunasan ko lang kasi tumulo na yung kandila. Okay. Okay. So, resume natin yung reading. Next. Oh, it can be an introvert also. The Hermit card signifies also an introvert kind of a person. Yes, introverted, mahilig mag-isa, mahilig mag-aral, mahilig mag-isip, mahilig magbasa ng books. Yes. Mhm. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Uy. A private kind of a person also. Yes. A sentimental kind of a person also. Sentimental. What do I mean by sentimental? Ano ka? Ano nga ba? Nasa dulo ng dila ko eh. Ano ka eh? Basta ano ka? Ikaw yung klase ng tao na nirerespeto ng marami. Kasi ano ka magmahal. Kumbaga parang sabihin na natin, ano ka yung, ano nga bang tawag doon? Alam mo yung father figure kapag nagmahal? Ganon. O kaya yung parang lolo kapag ka nagmahal, ganon. Kinagigiliwan ka ng mga apo, ng mga younger person, basta ganon. Sobra ka magmahal. And sobra ka ding masaktan na kind of a person. Maano ka, kapag meron kang minahal na tao, talagang, ano yon talagang, that person will feel your love, okay? O pwede sigurong showy ka din na type of a person. Mhm. Mahilig ka sa animal, okay? You have a different kind connection with the animal, okay? With pets, mahilig ka din sa pets, okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Karamihan sa inyo, meron ako nakikita na very matalino ha. Very genius. Okay? Alam mo yung parang aura ng Einstein, okay? Parang ganon. A very genius kind of a person. Iba mag-isip. Mhm. Um, you have your own time. Okay? Ayaw mo nang minamadali ka. Ayaw mo nang bara-bara mag-isip. You take your time. Mm. Kaya nga 'di ba nandirito yung card ng strategy. Ikaw yung klase ng person na hindi bara-bara kumilos, hindi bara-bara magdesisyon. You can be a Virgo, an earth sign, okay? You take your time before deciding on every important matter, every important decision making na kailangan mong gawin. Okay? Lalo na kapag halimbawang unknown places, parang bago sa'yo, um, inaalam mo muna yung tungkol dito sa bagay na to, tungkol saan to, basta yung you will study first the place, the person, anything bago ka mag-decide, bago ka pumunta, bago ka mag-explore, bago mo gamitin, bago mo kausapin. Basta ganon ka type of a person. Okay? Number 30, conflict. Uy. You are a type of person. You don't want conflict. Okay, ayaw mo ng magulo, ayaw mo ng away. Ayaw mo ng maingay. Kaya nga siguro gusto mo laging mag-isa kasi ayaw mo ayaw mo ng magulo. It can be some person looks at you as a weird kind of a person kasi nga mahilig kang mag-aral. It can be. Or for some of you, just simply, since you are a knowledgeable kind of a person, most of the time, others want to debate, okay, knowledge, okay, with you. Kaso ang ending, napipikon sila kasi hindi kanila, alam mo yun, hindi kanila matalo. Kasi nga, you're a very knowledgeable, a very strategic kind of a person. Siguro, ang tingin sa'yo palagi ng tao is competitor. Okay, kaaway. Okay? Yes, siguro yung iba, ano nga bang tawag yun? Sa dulo na naman ng dila ko. Alam mo yon yung para bang na nahanginan sila or hindi, intimidate. Okay. Na-intimidate sila sa'yo kasi you're very knowledgeable nga eh. Matalino ka na type of a person. And it's very hot, okay? Alam mo kasi lahat. Oo, whether in a conversation, in learnings, anything. You know anything kasi nga, you always study, you always read, you always strategize. Okay? You love to write, you love to read, you love to, alam mo yun, learn new things. Okay? Next. Oh, faith. Okay, so some of you, um, you can be a fortune teller also, like pile number 2. Okay. You're a curious kind of a person. You're a very curious kind of a person. Maybe you are a astrology. Okay. You know zodiac sign. Okay. Meron kasing tawag sa ganun yung nag-aaral ng astrology. You love to learn different traits of a person, places. Diba sabi ko, mahilig ka mag-aral. Mahilig mong alamin yung differences ng bawat tao, okay, ng bawat lugar, ng bawat bagay, okay. Mahilig kang kumilatis ng person, mahilig kang kumilala, okay. You're an old soul kind of a person. Matalino. Yes, it can be a psychology also, pero meron ako nakikita astrology. Someone study astrology here, or behavior of a person, anything, historical history places. Mahilig mag-aral, mahilig mag-explore, mahilig mag-ano, okay? Oh, child orphan, independence based on learning to. Oh, di ba? Independence based on learning to go it alone. Conquering fear of surviving, di ba? You are a curious kind of a person. If you will see this card, you will see a different planet, okay? Di ba? Ayun oh. Di ba? Astrology, mahilig kang scientist. It can be you're a scientist also. Okay? Someone um, study this history. Okay? Meron ako nakikitang ganyan. Learning alone. Okay? You don't need any person, anything, or kahit na sino na magtuturo sa'yo. Okay? You will learn it by yourself. Okay? Mahilig ka kasi magbasa. Ay, nako. Pero ako nakikita dito na matalino. Mahilig sa books. Curious. Oo. Iba yung capacity ng utak. Yes. You can be an orphan. Okay. Literally an orphan. Mm-mm. Meron ako nakikita dito, valedictorian. Palagi nasa honor. Palagi may awards. Palagi may medal. Okay. Last card, athlete. Oh, you can be literally an athlete. Okay. Instructor. Okay. Meron ako nakikita na study physical body of every person. Athletic kind of a person also. Strong person, mentally, lalo na. Hindi lang physically. Meron ako nakikita dito, strong mentally. Yes. Strategic kind of a person. Matalino. So, pile number 3, why you're so spicy, hot, fiery? Matalino ka na kind of a person. Strategic kind of a person. Out of this world mind, a very curious kind of a person, a wise and an old soul kind of a person, study astrology, no different attitude and personality of a person, okay. A magician, yes. Basta narinig nyo naman kung ano yung mga sinabi kong personality ng pile number 3. Okay, so I hope nag-resonate sa'yo itong reading na to, kung bakit ka daw hot and spicy. Okay, so kung hindi man nag-resonate sa'yo pile number 3, you can go back to the pile number 1 or 2, baka meron kayong messages dun or mag-resonate sa'yo. Okay, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe on my channel, like this video, okay, and leave a comment kung nag-resonate sa'yo yung pile na napili mo. Okay, so hindi ko napapatagalin guys kasi almost 1 hour na yata tayo. Okay, so maraming salamat. Abangan nyo pa po yung mga susunod kong upload, okay, sa aking channel. Help me reach the 2,000k subscriber. Okay. This new year. Okay, so maraming salamat guys. Papaalam na ako. Good morning sa inyo. Happy New Year. Bye!